Video we are going to see about indecision candlestick. In last video I have teached about the bullish reversal candlestick and bearish reversal candlestick. In this video we are going to indecision candlestick, which means the buyers and sellers are equal in the market. So which means I will first explain there are three types of indecision candle. First is Doji, second one Dragonfly Doji, third one Gravestone Doji. First we going to see about Doji. Doji is the structure of cross which look like a cross and it's a plus symbol. Okay, how the doji has been working the market and why it is known as an indecision candle. First, when the market is opening as here, the buyers were pressing the market towards upward, and after the selling were fighters, sellers were entering into the market. So market followed down, market reaches a certain level. After that, market reaches the opening price and close, which is mean by doji. Market opening and closing price at a certain level is known as doji. When market opens here and closing at the same price, it is known as doji. I think you may understand. The opening price and closing price is same in doji, so it is known as doji. How the dragonfly doji work? When the market is open here, we can see it is a structure shape of T. The dragonfly doji is the shape of T. Okay. And okay, when market is opening at this point and sellers are pressing the market and buyers are pressing the market and both of them are pressing the market and opening price and closing price at the same range. So it known as dragonfly doji, which means buyers and sellers are equal in market. So it is known as indecision candlestick. Next we are going to see about dragon Gravestone Doji, which is known as the inverted T. How the market is work? When market open as here and market buyers are pressing the market here, as well the same sellers and buyers and sellers are fighting. Both of them are fighting in the market. So the market get back to the opening point, and the opening point and closing point is same level. So it's known as Gravestone Doji. I think I have covered the retail concept in this module. After that, I will enter into a ICT concept. Next module I am going to upload about ICT concept, which next video I will give an introduction. What are the topic I am going to cover? Next section we can see. Okay, thank you.